Hey y'all, it's me, Ms. Faulkner, and I'm here with Odie Patotes, and we are getting ready to do some sales tax and discount. So we're going to talk about getting a discount and then adding tax onto it. So let's get started. Alrighty, our first problem, it says, where are we? Alrighty, it says oh my goodness, that wasn't any good. It says a $105 watch is selling for 30% off. Find the final price of the watch if the sales tax is 8%. Okay, here's the deal. What you have to do is you have to start with the discount. You have to start with the discount. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 30% of 105 because that's how much the watch costs. So we're going to do 30% of 105. So of course, we're going to change this to a decimal by dividing by 100. We get 0.30. We know of means times 105. When we do that, we get $31.50. Okay, so that is my discount. However, what I have to do is make sure that I take my discount and I subtract it from my original price. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to say my watch was $105. I'm going to subtract $31.50. And when I do that, I get $73.50. Yay! I'm finished. Nope, not so fast. The reason I'm not finished is because why? Because I have a sales tax. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 8% of my new price, which is $73.50. So we know we have to change this 8% to a decimal. In order to change that 8% to a decimal, I'm going to divide by 100. When I do that, I get 0.08 of, means multiply, 73.50. And again, don't forget, 73.50, that's my discounted price that I just found, and that's where I get that number. So when I multiply 0.08 times 73.50, I get $5.88. That is my tax. Now don't forget, tax makes things what? More expensive. So I'm going to add that $5.88 to my new price. So I'm going to do $73.50 plus $5.88. Now when I do that, I get a grand total of $79.38. Alrighty, we're going to go to question number 12. Question number 12. So it says $125 DVD player. It's selling for 10% off. Find the final price of the DVD player if the sales tax is 5.5%. So we have to start with the discount. And we know it's a discount because of the word off. Discount and off. Descuento or descuento. I can't remember which one it is. But so what we're going to do is we're going to take the original price and the discount. So we're going to start and we're going to say 10% of $125. To change 10% to a decimal, I'm going to divide by 100 and I get 0.10. I know the word of means multiply 125. When I do 0.10 times 125, I get, what do I get? Well, when I do that, I get 12.5. But here's the deal. Does 12.5 look like money? No, you say. So we've got to add something. I can add a 0, and then I have 12.50. $12.50. Now, that is my discount. Is discount going to make something more expensive or less expensive? Discount down. We know the price is going to go down, so we're going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract this discount from my original price. So I'm going to say it was originally $125. That's my original price. And I'm going to subtract it from $12.50 because that was my discount. When I do that, I get $112.50. So here's the deal. That's my new price. But that's my new price before I find out what the price is with the tax. So I'm going to come back here, and it says my tax is 5.5%. So I'm going to do 5.5% of that new price. And that new price is $112.50. So I know that I need to change 5.5% to a decimal. To do that, I'm going to divide. Whoop, you can't really see that yellow. You're going to divide by 100, and I get 0.055 of, means multiply, $112.50. And when I do that, I get 6.19. I get $6.19. That is my tax. Oh, look at this, tax. It looks like a plus sign. Tax means I'm going to add that to this price. So my price was $112.50 plus $6.19. And when I do that, I get $118.69. Isn't this fascinating? Are you guys so happy? Alrighty, we're going to do number 13 together. Katie, she's getting ready for the 8th grade dance. Holy wow, she bought a lot of stuff. Okay, she bought a dress for $76. That was 33% off. Whoa, this is a lot of stuff. And a pair of $52 shoes that were 15% off. Oh my goodness, and the sales tax was $6.75. Guys, there is so much information here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with this dress at 33% off. Okay? So we're going to start with this dress. So we're going to say 33% of $76. Now we know we've got to change this 33% to what? To a decimal. So I divide by 100. You can't really see that. Maybe you can. I can't. 0.33 of means multiply 76. Now when I do 0.33 times 76, I get 25.08. That's a really good discount. So this is my discount. Now, discount means down, so I'm going to subtract that from my $76. When I do that, I find out the new cost of my shoes, or Katie's shoes, is $50.92. So this is just for the shoes. Step 1. Okay, I got that done. Oh, no, that wasn't even the shoes. That was the dress. Goodness gracious, y'all. I was talking about the shoes, and that was the dress. I am so sorry. Alrighty, now I'm going to talk about my shoes that were $52. So I'm going to do 15% of 52. 15% as a decimal, 0.15 of, means multiply, 52. When I do 0.15 times 52, I get $7.80. That's my discount. So discount makes the price go what? Go down. So I do 52 minus $7.80. When I get 52 minus $7.80, I get 44.20. That's how much my shoes are. I was all confused earlier. So, I got a fancy dress. Why won't it go to the highlighter? Fancy dress. I got some fancy shoes. So how would I figure out the total? The total, of course, I would do what? I'm going to add $50.92 plus $44.20. And when I add that, I get $95.12. Guess what? I'm not done. Because there is a 6.75% sales tax. Holy wow, there is so much to do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 6.75% of $95.12. Got to change this to a decimal by dividing by 100. 0.0675. I know of means times 95.12. Now when I do that, I get $6.42, which is my tax. Holy wow. So now I've got to add my tax to my total. So I would do $95.12 plus $6.42. When I do that, I get $101.54. Holy wow. That's really hard. Alrighty. Love y'all. You gotta do the rest on your own. See y'all.